Oh, sorry. Hi, guys. Good morning. This is just my camera there. My name's Mark, and I'm originally from London, England, and I've been living in Thailand for 6 years now. Now, my education journey started in Bangkok 6 years ago, and I was a KG1 teacher, looking after the 3-year-old monsters. So I was a 5 core subject teacher, GMS, FMS, FMX, listening, and phonics. It's a great time, and I stayed in Bangkok for 2 years. Now, after 2 years were up, I headed down to a place called Phetchaburi. Now, that was really super rural Thailand, and no English was spoken whatsoever, apart from in my class, of course, where I was the language and phonics teacher. That was Sarasas Butet in Phetchaburi. Students, anything from 4 years old to 16 years old, so it was a great time. Okay, now I'm a keen surfer and kite surfer. Used to instruct in England many years ago. So the lure of Phuket was too much. So I moved to Phuket 2 years ago. And 2.5 years ago now, I started at a place called the International School in Phuket as a Year 1 homeroom teacher. It's a great time until COVID hit, when the school just literally gone. So we're all unemployed. But fortunately, there was a vacancy at one of the top schools, and I just went for it, really. A place called Head Start. Now, Head Start is the best school with, well, one of the best schools. I'd say the best. It's an awesome school. And I was lucky enough to get the position of a Year 3 homeroom teacher. Now, there are 67 students in Year 3, divided between 3 of us. Luckily, you'll be pleased to know. Now, the guys come from everywhere. Thailand, India, UK, Australia, Taiwan, Korea, Philippines, everywhere. It's a super multinational school. And I see the time ticking away here. Yeah, it's amazing. Technology-wise, it's fantastic. The portal, the staff portal, the parents portal, the drive, the ICT support, it's amazing. What do I hope to gain from this course? Knowledge. We're all lifelong learners, even at the age of 53. And I look forward to working with you guys and learning more every day to help me in my classroom and to help the students. Have a lovely day. I'm on 2:42, so I'm going to cut it off now. Have a great day. Good to meet you all, and look forward to working with you. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.